Hi and welcome to Bull Market Newsletter. This will be an introductory video that goes over what the site contains, but more importantly we'll go over our live market chat, and it'll demonstrate how you sign in, how you register, and then once you're in, how to function within the chat. It's one of those things where I want everybody to be able to participate, so if you feel like you're not very computer savvy, I want to show you how easy it is to register and get in there. That way everybody can participate in the chat. I just don't want people to be intimidated, because although it may sound kind of complicated or intimidating, it's really not. So here is our home page, and as I like to say, we are home of the three frees. We have our free newsletter, our free ebook, and our free chat. Very simple to get the free ebook. All you need to do is put in your name here, your email, and then hit subscribe, and it's simple as that. We will send you a confirmation email immediately after that, and it will have the ebook inside of it. So very simple in terms of receiving your free ebook. So just sign up for the newsletter. If you're curious, curious about our previous work, click on this part right here, and you can click on any one of these charts, and you'll see that a detailed chart comes up about our plays. And then if you want to contact us, here's a contact form here. Just fill out the tabs, hit submit information, and then you're good to go. So now let's get into the live chat. We're going to take this from a new user perspective where you've never been here. So if this is your first time, all you have to do is hit register and come up here and just create a username. So I'm just going to make this Bull Market, create a password, and then type it one more time. And all these other fields you see here are optional. You do not need to fill these out in order to be registered. It's literally just 3 lines here: your username, password, and then you're good to go. So if you want to fill these other ones out, that's fine. That'll be on your profile. But once again, just 3 lines. So it literally takes 10 seconds, depending on whether or not you already know your username. Come down here and hit save. You're good to go. Click start flash chat, and you're back to this screen now. So let's go back and type in your username you just created. Type in that, and waiting for the chat to start. And here we are. As you can see, there I am right here, Bull Market. One thing to keep in mind is this is after hours, and actually the market's not even open today, so the chat room is very dead, but actually we still even have 6 people despite the market not even being open. But during market hours things are much more active, and there's messages coming in here. A little bit about over here, these are all the chat people in the room. When you see these A's next to names, that means they're an administrator, so they have more rights than other people. They're just here to help out. They're good, experienced traders, and they just are here to keep things under control. Now, if you want to change a few things, I want to get into that. Let's say, for example, you don't like this little logo right there. All you have to do is come down to your options, come over to effects, and then change this to whatever you want it to be. So if you want it to be, we'll just say the $sign, and we'll make this one the $sign also. You hit OK, and then there you go. You have now that next to your name. Now let's say you don't want white. So right now, if I would talk, it's just white, and that's kind of boring, but I mean, if you like white, that's fine. In order to change your color, all you do is come down here to this color thing and hit whatever you like. So let's just try this green color up here. You can see that my name has now changed to that color. Now if I type, you can see that it is new color. Which brings me to the next point. If you haven't noticed, it's pretty simple to get a message up here. All you do is type it in this box. You can hit either send, or you can just press the enter key on your keyboard. Both of them will get the thing to pop up there. So it's really as simple as that. If you would like to bold or italicize any of your messages, the B is for bold, and that is the I is for italicize. And then let's say you want a picture to be up here. You can click on the smiley face, and you have all these options. So let's just try the American flag. Once again, you can hit enter or send, and there you go. Now, let's say you get up and go away from your computer for a little bit and you don't want people to think that you're ignoring them. All you have to do is click right here and you have a be right back, an away, a busy, or here. So let me just click busy, and then you'll see up there it has busy next to my name. So simple as that. And for getting up your kind of status. Now there's lots of noises and so forth that go on in the chat room. So if you want to get those kind of taken care of, all you have to do is come to this tab and you have all the options of the different sounds that happen. So if there's a voice or a sound that you don't really like that's getting kind of annoying, all you have to do is come here, uncheck mark it, hit OK, and then problem taken care of. So lots of different options though here. You have text options, effects, sounds, all that kind of stuff. So you can come here and play around with more of the things, but the main things are if you want to change your symbol next to your name and the sound if you want to get certain sounds off. So that wraps up the video. I hope that you now see that it's very easy to register, get into the room, and then chat. Please don't be intimidated by it. And make sure that you sign up for our newsletter so you can get the free ebook and be alerted on plays and what we're watching here at Bull Market Newsletter. If you do have any other questions, please use that contact form and get a hold of us, and we will get back to you in a timely manner. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the chat room, and I hope you decide to sign up for our newsletter.